Hello friends, welcome to Grasp English class. So today in this auxiliary verbs topic, I am going to teach you that how to use did. So as we have studied in our last class about do and does. So with do, this did is going to get relates. Then we are going to see how. Do. I always do sports in the morning. Okay, I always. This means it is getting continue daily. And did, she did her homework 2 hours ago. It means before it is going to be getting past. Done. They have just done their shopping. Just done means just right now they have finished. Okay. So see here once again I am going to tell you do and does, and with that I am going to tell you about did, because as I have told you that with do only this did is going to be there. See how. Do we use it with singular, does we use it with plural, but did we are going to use when the sentence is in past and does not consider the number of the subject. It does not consider whether it is a singular or it is a plural. Did is going to get used with every type of singular and plural. So see here, in positive words and in negative words we are going to learn like do, I, you, they, we. Don't, I, you, they, we. Does, he or she. Okay, and doesn't he or she. It's like that. Do and does has got divided in two parts, that is singular and the plural. But here did or did not get any difference between singular or in plural, because did is going to get used with all singular and plural subjects. Okay, it does not matter whether it is a singular or plural, and the negative form of did is didn't. See here. Now I'm going to tell you about the simple present and the simple past, that do and didn't. I'm going to tell you don't and didn't. I don't live far from here. I didn't live far from here. It doesn't work downtown. He didn't work downtown. They don't need a car. They didn't need a car. So I hope how you have understood here. With I, they I am using here don't. With he I am using doesn't. But in did case I am using didn't with all type of singular and plural, whether it is I, he or they, whatever it is, I am using did. And in question form also it is the same thing. See here, we use did to make questions. Don't change the verb after did. Okay, the verb is not going to get changed after did. The verb is going to be remain in its first form. Did you surf the net yesterday? Did he go to school last Monday? Did she wear trainers 50 years ago? Did people go to school last Monday? Like this, okay? And see here in positive, if I say, yes, I did. Yes, he did. Yes, she did. Yes, they did. No, I didn't. No, he didn't. No, she didn't. No, they didn't. So this is in question form. Yes is in positive, affirmative form, and no is in negative form. So thank you friends. I hope you have understood, and if there is any doubt, please comment me in the comment section. And if you have liked my video, please like my video, and if you have any doubt, please do comment me. And if you are having any doubt still in the previous topic of do, does or any topic, so you can go and check the topics in the description box and can go to the link and click there and can learn again. And to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, please subscribe my channel. Their subscribe button is given. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.